let's learn the animals in English today. Who says moo and likes the grass? It's the cow walking past. Cow, pig, dog, and cat. Let's say the names just like that. Learn with me, we'll have some fun in English for everyone. Who says oink and rolls in the mud? It's the pig with a splash and a thud. And who wakes up the whole wide town? It's the rooster jumping down. Cow, pig, rooster, fish, say each name and make a wish. Learning English is so cool, Paçoca makes it fun at school. Fina, swimming fast, who goes blub, blub? It's the fish in the water club. And who roars with the golden mane? It's the lion, wild and brave. In the jungle, jumping tree to tree. It's the monkey, come and see. And up at night, who says woo woo? It's the